Hello everyone. It's been a while since I recorded a video, so it's gonna be kind of embarrassing or some sort of it. But okay, let's jump right into it. The idea of this video is to basically get back to the community, join the community, and kind of show off what I've been working on, like everything since the creation of my company, the games that I've been developing, like everything that I do, not only related to game dev or blockchain, but everything that all of that process comes through. I think it could be something amazing to share, and I'm in the process of working on the Chase Me to the Moon. It's been in development since 2 years. This project was basically a co-creation with my girlfriend. This project was for an assignment that I had in my master's degree, and I really enjoyed making the game. Making the game alongside my girlfriend was an amazing experience, and I really want to bring that game into light and to life in a way, and share with every one of you. Hopefully, we can get a lot of feedback to make it amazing and an amazing experience to play with your family and friends. And that's what I'm here on the 13th of February, next week, as I'm recording of now, next week. There will be an event held in the Crazy Tek Studios Discord. Anyone can join. Feel free to join, of course. The link will be in the description. Share your ideas, communicate with me. Let's make this community like fun and something that everyone can enjoy and relate to. I want everyone to be able to create memories with their loved ones, friends, family, anyone. So this is a step towards that. I really want anyone that plays games that I work on or that I develop feel engaged, feel really excited to play, but not to the point that it becomes addictive. I want to create fun experiences. I want to create fun moments that you can share. I really want everyone to enjoy, and I really want to create something that years, 10 years from now, you can look back and you can say, oh my god, I played that game, it was amazing, it was really enticing, enjoyable to play with my friends and family. Maybe I will play it again. I really want to create that feel in the games that I create. So yeah, that's the whole idea of this video, sharing what I'm working on, what's the steps to get there, and how we got here. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate everything that the community does, everything and any comment that you can say to improve. It will be really appreciated. So thank you everyone for watching. If you have anything to say, leave a comment down below or join the Discord channel, and let's have some fun. Let's create games. Let's build the future of the gaming industry, hopefully.